Hello everyone, so on this video let's see how we can use the Easy Connection tool that is available on MasterTool. So if you ever need to scan your network to find all your PLC information and all the PLCs on your network, you can use this tool. You can access the Use Connection by going to the online menu and the Easy Connection tool. When you click on the Easy Connection, it will start to scan your network. So as long as your computer has a physical connection to your controller, it will show on the device list. And here I can click on my device and I can check for the IP address and the firmware version of my controller. I can see here that my PLC has the address 192.168.15.21. So if I want to download a program to this PLC, my computer needs to be on the same subnet. So my computer needs to be on this subnet 15. And I can check here on my Ethernet port settings on Windows that my Ethernet port is already on the subnet 15. This means that I can access my PLC and download a program to my controller. If I change the subnet from my computer, and when I confirm this, I will not be able to download a program to my PLC, so I can access this PLC. So let's click OK and OK. But even if my subnet is different from the PLC subnet, I can still be able to find this PLC. So as long as I have a physical connection using a cable, for example, I can check about the information of my PLC. So I can check the IP address. But now as my computer is in a different subnet, is in the subnet 0, I will not be able to download a new program to this controller. So if I try to close this connection and go to the device configurations to scan my network, if I scan my gateway 1, you see here that it will show no PLCs because my PLC is a different subnet. So I can use Easy Connection again, and I can see that the IP address of my PLC is in the subnet 15. So I can go back and change the Ethernet port configurations of my computer back to the subnet 15. And when I confirm this, okay. So if I go back to MasterTool, now I should be able to scan my gateway 1 and find my XP340. You can see here that now I can find my PLC, I can activate this PLC, and I can download a new program.